Focus. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a beautiful day. Today is a super exciting day because I'm officially getting my second Rëzocut. Yay! So basically it's kind of like a haircut but only for curly hair, and I'm here at Utopia Hair Salon and I'm gonna get my haircut by Nubia. She is so amazing. If you're in New Jersey, definitely check her out. Like, she is amazing. I'm in love with her work. I actually been here a few times already, and that's why I know she's the one that I can trust with my hair, because cutting your hair is not easy. Like, I haven't cut my hair in a year and a half, and it's just because I haven't found the right person. So I am so lucky to actually be here and about to get my second haircut. So if you're excited as me and you want to see how a Rëzocut is done and how she's going to transform my hair, then let's go, because I'm actually running late. So I'm already with the queen herself, Nubia. She's about to start the magic. I'm excited.
It's the wonderful way that we have created Rëzo, and it's all about lots of body and more body. And like I always said, a curly girl never has big hair enough, so we need to make it bigger.
Yes.
That's what we're about.
I'm excited.
Yes, ma'am.
Tengo muchos nudos.
Un poquito allí. I'm going to Portugal next week to empower girl community in Europe through Rëzo, and I'm excited. We're going to create a big name for all of us. For women, this is about women empowering women. You know what? And we're not going to talk about only dreams as a business owner, but anything you guys wanted to do at home, lose weight, gain weight, grow your hair, you guys could do it. Women, we have the capacity to do whatever we want. The only limitations, they're here in the mind. And now we're not alone anymore. We have created this. Rëzo is not only the beautiful haircut, but it's also a sisterhood. Yeah. And that's where all my beautiful ambassadors here are going into the universe, lifting all of you guys, empowering each other. And as we grow, we're always going to create workshops, and they're going to share the story for you guys. Because to me, all of them have a story. All of you have a valid story that the world has to know.
Then I tried.
Somebody needed a little trim.
Yeah, I'm telling you, I haven't had a haircut since a year and a half.
Yes.
Since August of last year.
So this is beautiful. Now, we had a little bit of the consultation here. How if you want to have some bands. I do believe in bands, but I don't believe in short bands.
Yeah.
So we're just going to create a little bit of that illusion, but we're not going to go too short.
Too short, yeah.
Because
so I can have the option of like having it to the side. Yeah.
That's what it's about. Curly girls should have options to wear the girls the way they want. Now magic is going to appear very in front of you guys' eyes. And
I never had bangs before, so I'm kind of like excited because my hair is actually healthy to the point that I can do it. I mean, it's still not 100% there, but
it feels excellent.
It's getting there.
Oh my God, it's wonderful. Wonderful, wonderful. Let's wear those hair the way we want.
New year, new experience.
New year, new look.
Haven't straightened my hair for 7 months. More than 7 months, 8 months already.
Excellent, because especially when we're transitioning, we want to make sure that we don't, stress the hair that is healing. because sometimes it takes one blowout to go back
yeah.
square one.
I agree, because when like the last time I straightened my hair, I was like, not even though I take care of my hair, I straightened it once and I felt like my curls were not the same. And I did treatments and everything, and it was like,
and it's not the same.
not the same.
So look at it, it's such a visual already. You see this is much higher. It's framing the face different. So this is very, the weight is in here. But the beautiful part, we remain with the same length. So one of the major things that we create with Rizzo is maintaining the length. It's just creating these huge crowns on the top, bands without bands, to the right, to the left, into the middle. When you cut curls, in the pattern, every curly girl has different patterns on the right and the left.
Yeah,
so you guys have to make sure that you go to a person that understands that you have to have almost like a visual of one curl at a time per section.
Yeah. Like for example, me, on the left side, my hair's a little straight. On the right side,
that's
my
right.
hair's a
You
lot
must
curly.
tie it in here.
Yep.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely, my friend.
Tell me what you need. Just tell me what you do. Just tell me what you need. Just tell me what you do. And I
About to wash his hair. Now we're just going to start my curls.
long nights and cold beds, breaking down, hurting heads, lost touch of the energy, losing all the chemistry, moving on, keep it strong, keep Keeping strong, making new fate in the darkness. I'll move on, I promise.